Use if statements to decide, do you want gems or do you want death? Okay. So the goal is to grab all the gems. We're going to make the if statement true for the commands you want to execute and false for the commands you don't want to execute. Remember, this operator means equals to. Alright. Oh goodness. So if 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3, so we want to make this one false, so we're going to just do if 2 plus 1 plus 1, and then we're going to move our hero here to move to the first mines. We need to move to the first mine. I guess over here. Isn't that gonna blow up? Okay. 2 plus 2 equals 4. We're gonna move to the gem. This means not equal. So 2 plus 2 does not equal 5. We're gonna move to the second gem. Attack him.